Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find Shopify dropshipping suppliers. First, it is crucial to define your niche and target audience. Understanding who you are selling to helps narrow down product choices. Next, research product demand and market trends to ensure profitability. Finally, establish clear quality standards and set your budget, aiming for healthy profit margins on every item you sell. Now, let's explore top platforms. Large marketplaces like AliExpress offer a vast array of products, often at competitive prices. For more curated options, consider specialized directories such as SaleHoo or Worldwide Brands. Don't forget to utilize integration apps like Oberlo or DSers, which streamline the process directly with your Shopify store. Always prioritize suppliers known for fast shipping and excellent customer support. Vetting potential suppliers is a critical step. Always check reviews and ratings from other dropshippers to gauge reliability. Ordering product samples is essential. It allows you to personally assess quality and shipping times. Furthermore, thoroughly verify their return policies and understand their dispute resolution processes. Clear communication regarding product specifications and order fulfillment ensures smooth operations and avoids future misunderstandings. Building strong relationships with your chosen suppliers is key to long-term success. Don't hesitate to negotiate favorable terms, including pricing and minimum order quantities, if applicable. Maintaining open and consistent communication ensures efficient order processing and resolves issues quickly. Regularly review supplier performance and customer feedback to ensure they meet your standards. Finally, consider diversifying your suppliers to mitigate risks and ensure consistent product availability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.